Welcome to another review video on reviews for you. Today we will review on Lanci. Keep watching. Firstly, we will describe the introduction of Lanci. 2. Who needs Lanci app? 3. Why you should grab the Lanci app now. 4 bonuses that I have for you. Stay connected.
Dear frustrated marketer, we haven't met in person, but I think I know why you're here. Like me when I started out, you've been trying to make money online, but failed. I know that getting traffic is a struggle. For years you've been trying to crack the make money online thing, with no success. You've been told you need to have a huge list to make any money. Expensive funnels. Lots of social media followers. You know it's possible to make money online and change your life, but those around you are telling you it's not. You've had your fair share of sales letters that overpromise, apps that don't deliver, shiny objects, lost time, lost money. I can't blame you for feeling skeptical. I was in the same position as you just a few years ago. When I lost my job back in 2019, I was one paycheck from losing my home. I had to find a solution, and fast. I've tried everything. YouTube videos, list building, e-commerce, offers, freelancing, leads per sale, blogging. But nothing gave me the sort of reliable income I required. Although I have had my fair share of failure, I knew that others were making huge amounts of money online, consistently, year in, year out. So I asked myself this: what are they doing that I'm not? The answer was traffic. Those who make consistent income online have figured out how to generate lots of buyer traffic for low cost. These are people who are actively looking to buy the products you are promoting. After trying and failing to make any money for years, I was determined to crack the algorithm and start making consistent income online. At around that time, I was in touch with a developer in regards to a product launch I was planning. He told me about a new app which he created that would exploit a loophole in one of the largest websites in the world to generate lots of free traffic. This was no ordinary traffic. It was hot and ready to buy. This is because it was super targeted for any niche. I just had to type in any keyword, and the app would find the right traffic and begin to send it to any page I wanted in 30 minutes or less. It had nothing to do with building websites, creating products, trawling social media, video marketing, paid ads, content marketing, e-commerce. It required no previous experience. Inventory, list, paid ads, investments, time to set up, networking, expensive software, freelancing. I was hooked. This was the start of Lanci, and I have never looked back. It's time for a change. Today I will show you how to generate consistent free buyer traffic which requires no list, investment, paid traffic, stock, anything technically difficult. This method is so easy that a 5-year-old can do it. And it takes no time at all to set up. Lanci generates hungry buyer traffic by using a secret code which we had discovered through extensive trial and error. This pulls in passive Clickbank affiliate commissions. This is no ordinary traffic, it's hot and ready to buy traffic. This is because it's super targeted for any niche. Just type in any keyword and the app will find the right content that buyers are actively seeking. It has nothing to do with selling, list building, holding stock, offers, blogging, autoresponders, websites, SEO, anything else that requires hard work. To get started, you will need no previous experience. Inventory, list, paid ads, investments, time to set up, networking, expensive software, freelancing, and most importantly, it works even for the technically challenged just starting out in the industry. When I started using it, within 30 minutes I began generating sales like these.
So here is the video of the review from our channel Reviews for You. Check out the description box for bonuses. Please subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.